So I want to get our streusel made. I've got some pecans here that I'm gonna toast up in the oven, and then I'll chop those up. And then I've got some butter, flour, brown sugar, and some rolled oats. So once these get toasted up, I'll chop them up finer, and then I'm going to mix it all together. So these are gonna go into the oven for about 7 minutes. My pecans are nice and toasted, so I'm going to remove them from my pan. And I'm just going to chop these up. And you could also use almonds if you're not a pecan fan. Pecans. All right, so those look pretty good. I'm gonna spread them out a little more just so they can continue to cool. And I'm gonna grab my bowl here, and I'm gonna put my flour in, my sugar, a little pinch of salt, and then I'm gonna add my butter in. So my butter is not melted, it is solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. I'll go ahead and combine all that. Kind of cutting through that butter. So I want this to be kind of a coarse crumb. You could also use a fork for this. That looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my oats. Nuts. And then what I want to do is I want to kind of create like little balls out of it so that it sets up in the fridge, little clumps. So I'm just kind of squishing that butter into the nut mixture so I can get these little like clumps. And this is so delicious. If you like a lot of this, then have at it. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So I've got these sort of clumpy, almost like granola consistency. You know, if you were to buy store-bought granola, it has all these like clumps. That's what we want. So that looks good. I'm gonna throw this in the refrigerator until we're ready.